Jagung bakar, jagung rebus. Ini like the ini haunted castle. Doesn't look haunted. It doesn't look so haunted. Ini entrance to the Dracula castle. We lost. How not guided?
Get lost, you will be food for Dracula. Money from this, so much money.
Sound of the bat.
Yeah.
Not really.
Maybe the one that eat the corpse.
Sounds like in the monkey forest. Apa itu? Count Dracula was so rich, yeah. How?
Udah mati.
Oh my god. I don't really like it.
Okay.
And it's called Slavica. Slavica. It looks super comfy.
It's just so bad.
Because the road is much farther down.
Nggak ada.
Them was dancing. They would live isolating in the woods and wherever they would dance, like they would leave a tray on the ground. Something like that. And it was best if you didn't disturb the dancing, like probably that guy over there did. Because they could turn you perfect.
Calm down.
Interesting.
Scary though. Medium torture that I just see. Oh my god. What is it for?
For the head.
A soul. But not your ordinary soul.
What's your roster first?